Getting your backyard to look beautiful, elegant, and sophisticated does not have to cost you an arm and a leg. Here are a few great ideas. Plant flowers at the edge of your house. To get your house and front yard looking elegant and well-tended, plant various flowers all around, and use beautiful stone to create a barrier. Use large pots to plant your flowers. If you do not like the hustle of maintaining a flower garden, go on and plant various types in pots and have them strategically placed along your front driveway. Plant flowers along your fence. In homes that have a fence, having flowers planted along makes for a beautiful scene. Plant flowers with multiple colors for that extra pop. Create a wooden fence. For that rustic feel and for added privacy, use reclaimed or repurposed wood to build a beautiful wooden fence in your front yard. Pave your front yard using pebble stone. For a quick and easy fix, use pebbles to create a beautiful front yard that is easy to maintain and that does not demand too much labor to install. Create a beautiful wooden pathway. Wooden pathways are beautiful and easy to maintain, and you do not have to have a professional install them for you. Create a cobblestone pathway. If wood is not for you, go for cobblestone. It is easy to install, moderately priced, and it will last generations before needing replacement. Build concrete steps to your house. If you have grass all around your front door, you can build concrete steps that lead up to the house for easy access and for a beautiful contrast as well. Plant various succulents. Succulents are beautiful and easy to maintain, and having them in your front yard will make it beautiful and will also see to it that you do not have to worry about maintenance. Install a water fountain. A water fountain in the front yard speaks sophistication, and the best thing is that you do not have to worry about cost because you can find pretty affordable options. Install wind chimes. Find beautiful wind chimes and enjoy the calming sounds as you enjoy your cup of coffee or tea on a cold day in the fall. Pave the entire yard with stone. Unlike other material, natural stone is pretty affordable, but it makes for excellent paving, especially where you want minimal vegetation in your front yard. Pave your driveway with stone and grass. Create a stone driveway, then proceed to plant grass in the joints. It makes for a beautiful sight when grown, but you need to make sure it does not grow too tall. Install warm light along your walkway and your house. Your front yard will seem to glow if you install warm yellow lights along the walkways. Go for short lights, and also make sure that those along your house point towards it and not away. Create a terraced landscape. If you live on a huge chunk of land with loads of space, go on and create a terraced landscape with different types of plants, such as grass, bushes, and flowers. Build multiple birdhouses. Birdhouses make for beautiful features, and they also allow you to watch birds as they feed and listen to their charming chirping. Plant grass. This landscaping technique is easy and beautiful, and well-maintained grass in the front yard makes for an elegant display. Use snake lights to line your steps. To bring the steps leading up to your house to life at night, have snake lights installed beneath them for that beautiful glow in the dark. Strategically placed beautiful vases. Use massive vases to plant flowers in your front yard. They make for a modern and elegant feel. Build a miniature in-ground aquarium. Have a miniature glass aquarium partially fitted in the ground for that captivating look and elegant feel. Plant a massive tree. Plant a tree in the heart of your front yard and make a small brick wall around it. Watch it grow into a massive tree that gives beauty and shade. Create a beautiful mailbox. Create a unique and catchy mailbox and plant beautiful flowers and bushes all around to create an intriguing look for your visitors. Use wine barrels as planters. To create a vintage feel in your front yard, repurpose old barrels and line them along your front drive. It is a pretty affordable and creative landscaping idea. Install lanterns along your driveway. This is great for creating a more traditional feel around your front yard. Use a creative house number post. Displaying your house number does not have to be a boring affair. Use a creative wooden post that adds to the aesthetic of your front yard.